up YouTube? This is a thing. We're doing glitch, a fence glitch. Teleports you in the air. Oh no, you failed. Go back. Do it again. Yes, I am. Hold on. Oh, I'm gonna pause the video. Okay. Hey, we're back. Oh, really? Do it again. The YouTubers want to say. And then I'll show you my point of view after. Okay, that's that. That's time's up. Okay, let's do it. Glitch. Time to do the glitch. Whoa! Whoa!
How the hell? How the hell did you do that, Gino?
Magic. So awesome. I commit suicide. Suicide. Epic fail. And then after this we're gonna make another video, which is yeah.
Okay. Was that fun?
Yes. Where do you have to go? When do you have to go? Hello.
Come on, I'm still doing the glitch.
Okay, good. I'm trying to get in the car. I can't run there. It's gonna take you forever. Okay, I'm coming. Hold on, let me just get in my car. Pause the video. And this is the guy that's recording. Okay, what's up YouTube? Now we're back. Go. Last one. You gotta be kidding me! Dang you! Oh really? Oh really?
Pause it.
Thanks for watching our video. Bye-bye.
Stop.
Yeah.
Bye.